Yo, hello everyone. Are you looking to streamline your Instagram content creation process? In this video, I will show you how to create bulk Instagram posts in Canva, from setting up your templates and designing multiple posts at once to organizing and scheduling them for seamless posting. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here I am guys, I am on my Canva account. I have launched it and opened it. Now to create any kind of designs, we shall first create a design through here. So all you have to do is click on this button which is in the top right corner, next to your icon or profile image. So here we go. And then here we have to choose the template that you are going for. So in our case, we are going with Instagram post square. So click on this one. And then, as you may notice, they will open this page for you. Now, search for a topic that you are going or willing to get inspiration from. So, for example, let's talk about sports. So, I'm going here and write sports, and here you go. These are all some kind of template that are ready to be used by you in Canva for free. Now, some of them are free, of course, some of them are paid. How to know? Basically, some of them, if you hover on the top of it, you will get this pro mode. This pro icon means that you'll have to get the premium version of Canva in order to use it. So now let's try and keep with one of their free templates, which is, for example, this one. So here we go. Now we can just hide this. Here in this template, you can literally edit and adjust everything, from the text to the colors into the image itself. So for example, let's say that I don't really like the background. I don't want it to be gray and green. I want it to be, for example, red. So here we go. And let's choose another color instead of it. So red and blue as an example. And let's do the same thing for these ones. So I'm going with blue. Everything that is green here, I'm going to change it into blue so it can fit our image perfectly. Here we go. So now we have adjusted the colors to fit our purpose. Now, how we can edit the text. For example, here I will write runner. Uh, for example, organization. So this is gonna be like the subtitle. I'm gonna make it smaller and drag it right over here. Now, for you guys, maybe you would ask me how can we change the actual font? Simply just click on the text and you will get this menu over here. It has the font, the size, the color, the style, the effects. If you'd like to add any kind of animations, you can add it through here in the position and some much more transparency, copy style, etc. So this is for the font and the text settings. Now here, let's say that you have created this template. You can actually add a new page and like you can do it like that, and you can actually redo the same design so you can make like a collection of templates that will fit your Instagram posts. So for example, we have this theme in our organization, which is, for example, red and blue. We're gonna create multiple pages or multiple templates using the same colors, the same design. So, but we will change a little bit in the text. We will change the position of the, for example, this blue line here. I'm gonna change it to be here. So we're gonna start adjusting stuff so we can actually have some kind of changement in our pictures, and we can actually do something like that to align so it's going to be like a completed image, not one image. So now we can add another image for this woman, for example, here, copy it, make it over here. As you may see, we can do the same thing. Let's copy this. So I'm going to make a collection of templates that we can use them in our accounts. So here we go. Let's copy this. Here we go. I'm going to copy this as well, put it over here, and the same thing goes for this one. I'm gonna copy it and paste it, drag it over here. So this is design number 2. You can literally change the image. So let me just change the image really quick. Click on edit photo, and from here you can either choose a filter, and here you can choose the mockup. So click open, and you can like choose a mockup for you. You can choose this mockup. You can like literally add so many stuff. So let me just try to find another image to fill it here. Let's see, we can add actually image, so uploads, and let me just add one of my images that I have added before. For example, let's add this League of Legends logo. So I'm going to add it over here. I'm going just to zoom in. I know it doesn't fit our subjects, but yeah, this is just an example, guys. So here we can add the actual organization logo. Here we can add some text about us, for example. Here I'm going to change this to about us. And just like that, we are actually creating a blog post in our Instagram accounts. So keep doing that. We can actually add another page. So let me just click like that, add another page. And this one, we can actually keep the same thing, like the same template, but let's change something. Let me just remove this. Actually, this is so ugly. I can't stand it. Let's just go back to the text. Yeah, okay. So now I'm going to change this line. So I'm going to change it to another element, which is a circle. So I'm going to drag this circle down here, make it bigger, drag it over there, and let's change the color to blue. And here you go. This is literally a new design. So we can copy this, drag it over here, and the same thing. Let's copy these two texts, put them over here. And for the text, we can just keep it as the same thing. Here we can add some kind of social media uh, icons in the bottom over here. Let me just add them real quick. For example, here we can just click here, social media icons. And here you go, you can just literally choose whatever social media icons you would like to add. For example, here it is Facebook, just make it smaller as you can see, put it over here, make it as small as possible. So you can add all your social media information, for example, over here as a post. And yeah, that's how you can simply create a good looking post for your Instagram account with zero effort, guys. You just have the template, just work on it, choose the colors that will fit your brand the best, and you will get the best looking Instagram post for your brand. And once you feel like you're done with this, all you have to do next is simply download the image. So what you can do is click here on share, and let's try to go down below here, click on download, and then choose the size, keep it as it was at the beginning, which is 1080 which is the Instagram post size. Then choose to select all the pages, so you are going to download all the pages, and then save download settings, then click on download. Just like that, the images will start downloading on our PC, so we can later on post them on our Instagram accounts without any problems. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's